been a while. I have some stuff like pre-filmed, not like a lot, but like a little bit of stuff pre-filmed that I might put up. Like, I want to put the Christmas video up. I just haven't done it yet. And we're like in April. But I did film Christmas. I don't know. But I got my teeth fixed. It's been like a year, so I got my teeth fixed. I'm almost a year post-op with that. I've had someone living with me since October. And that's the whole thing. But I figured I'd come on and like kind of give you guys a little update. So update, like I said, teeth. Someone's been living with me since October. We've been together since July. Even though Facebook says otherwise. But that's besides the point. My wallet got stolen on Saturday. It was in my pocket, and my pocket, if y'all know girl jeans, my pockets are like nothing, and I have a really tiny wallet since going to Florida last year. I just have this wee little wallet, and I knew it was like falling out of my pocket, so I like pushed it down. And then I had to get my kids into my stepdad's truck, which is, okay, so here's my yard. His truck was like right over here. In the matter of that time, my wallet fell out of my pocket, and this little girl grabbed it and gave it to her mom, and her mom booked it. Obviously, called the cops once they came back, because I know that they took it. And cop couldn't do anything about it, because there's supposedly no proof, but I know she took it. I'm not stupid. It's so frustrating. That was like a loss of like $300 and then all my cards. I had just got my ID 3 days ago, and now I have to replace it again. Because Pennsylvania is really stupid, and you literally have to pay for your ID no matter what. And it's $30+ I just got it. Like, someone robbed me. They stole it from me. Like, you can't just replace it for free because I just got it. Like, I just paid that money to get a new one. I just freaking paid it. Does that make any sense? Because I feel like that doesn't make any sense. At least to me it doesn't. I do have a question. How is it where you guys are with this virus stuff? Ooh, am I going to get flagged because I said that word? Because, as you can see, Pennsylvania, we're still wearing masks. I absolutely hate it. Especially because I think it's really funny. So, y'all know I was wearing a mask before all this happened. Even though people were like, oh, it's because you're scared and da-da-da-da. If you watch videos below, because like I said, I haven't been here for a year. If you watch videos below, you'll see that my views on it. And my views really haven't changed too much on everything going on in the world. But I would gladly take this free money. All day, every day. Anyways. I was doing it because of, well, my mouth. I think I have some footage of that. I don't know. I think I might have a little tidbit of like what was happening and why I wasn't talking without a mask on. I'm not really sure. I can't quite remember because it's been so long. I haven't done anything for YouTube. I haven't done anything in general because the dude I'm with, he's like, why do you have to tell people what you're doing, like on video? Not realizing, like, you know, like people enjoy that, and why not film it and just like let other people see it? Who cares? I don't know. Things are frustrating, but I will continue to do things. So if I'm not on YouTube, I'm not on YouTube. But like, I'm gonna try. Currently trying to get out of the apartments that I'm living in because, well, after my wallet being stolen, that just kind of pushed me even further. But he has a dog, and the neighbor behind me wanted to complain about the dog and say that the dog was like going to the bathroom, places that the dog wasn't going to the bathroom. Yet her child is literally peeing on their back porch And that seems to be fine for where we live. But God forbid, I was told that I'm being fraudulent for having a dog. So, currently, the dog has been elsewhere. And we just kind of want our dog back. Because he's adorable. He's a 5-year-old chocolate lab. He's actually going to be 6. And he's so freaking cute. But living in these apartments is so annoying. I've been here for, you guys can probably scroll back and see what, like 5 years? Going on 6 years, I think. I think July marks 6 years. And they're just like way too into my life. They need to know way too much about my money information and this and that, and I'm just kind of over it. Why do you need to, you see that I have a job? Why does my child support money have anything to do with anything? Like, it's annoying. As you can see, I have like 3 loads of laundry that I'm doing right now. And I have a load in the washer. In the washer right now too. But I figured I'd come on and talk and see how you guys are doing. Like I said, I haven't talked to you guys in forever. I did have a person I'm subscribed to who's also subscribed to me reach out to me a few months back on Twitter. And it was awesome that she found me on Twitter. Because I usually don't post that anymore, like, around. Anyways, they reached out to me and she was like, I miss you. And, like, I'm really glad that somebody missed me because I feel like I'm just a nobody and I just kind of, like, chill and stay in my own lane. And I have, like, 400 subscribers? I feel like I'm a nobody, like... If you guys really watch me, like, let me know. Like, if you've been here for a day or if you've been here since, like, the get-go, please. I would love to hear it. I have a bunch of social medias. Usually I'm on my personal, but I know I do have some, like, not personal ones. I think I have some of that listed below. You can always find me on TikTok. I feel like that's embarrassing, but, like, I don't know. I'm always on TikTok now. I try, at least. And I don't really do too much on there, but... It's easy because it's, like, not editing. It's, like, I just one shot. Boom, there, it's done. Go on our way. I don't know, y'all. Let me know what you'd like to see. We're probably not, there's probably not going to be any, like, food hauls because, like I said, he's, like, not into all that, and anymore he takes me grocery shopping. We usually do it on the days that we don't have the kiddos. Because I am still working, obviously. I'm obviously got to make some money somehow. Still working the same job. So that's been nice, I guess. But, I don't know, man. Just trying to get out of here. Trying to make as much money as possible. Took the L on the $300. And then, did you know that you have to pay for replacement cards? Like, why? Why? I shouldn't have to pay because somebody stole my cards. At all. I feel like that's a no. That you shouldn't have to do that. Do you guys feel that way? Because, like, I really feel like I shouldn't have had to pay for replacement cards. I don't know. This has just been super rambly and super steepy. Super all over the place. So, I'll talk to you guys later.